Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a presentation on the topic of personal leadership. This activity is part of an assignment given on YouTube Cam. Let's have a look at the presentation. So what is personal leadership? Personal leadership is leadership of self. How one can develop personal leadership? These are some of the important points. The first point is to master one's self. Second important point is to continue practicing. Third important point is related to self-discipline. And the fourth important point is affirmation. What are important lessons? Do not depend on others unnecessarily. Know your responsibility. Know that the most important person who can help you in any difficult situation is your own self. Let us understand this with an example. Suppose if there is a process. The process will begin with the raw material, and at the end we will have a finished product. What is important in this process? No doubt, finished product is important, but it all starts with the raw material. Similarly, it all begins with us. So as the process begins with the raw material, and purity and content of raw material is an important factor in the process. So in our life, whatever changes we want to achieve, they all begin with us. This is the slide which shows similarity between raw material and our own life. We are here, the unfinished product, and somewhere here you will have the finished product when you will attain your goal. So this is the method, or we can say the process. So goal can be achieved by the method, but of course you are one of the most important factor in this whole process. So if there is a question, who will help? The answer is it's you only. So please remember, it all begins with you. With this I conclude my presentation. Thank you for being here.